Your spouse will become personally liable for any tenant lawsuits when you pass a rental property down to them when you pass away. The reason being is that when you own the rental property in your personal name and you distribute it out to your spouse, they are now holding it in their personal name. And if you have a tenant lawsuit coming after that rental property, they are coming after the owner of that rental property. And if the amount of that lawsuit is larger than the amount of coverage that they have with their insurance company, your spouse will be personally liable for paying off the remainder of the judgment for that lawsuit. And so what they will have to do is, if they don't have enough cash to cover the remaining lawsuit, they will have to sell off assets like the rental portfolio, the house that they live in, the nest egg that they have, investment accounts they have, things that they would be using to take care of themselves for the remainder of their life. They would have to reduce the amount of assets that they have to be able to pay off the judgment of that lawsuit. And so if you are passing a rental portfolio down to your spouse, you want to make sure that you're setting up so that they have asset protection from any liabilities related to that rental property. And then you can also set up so that it avoids the probate process, so that it will have they will have immediate access to it if they need it financially, like they need to sell a property to generate cash, or they need to collect cash flow to sustain their lifestyle.